Hey guys, you're watching one of my review video and I'm going to review a product called LogoBuilder. But before I proceed, please give me a like on this video and subscribe to the channel we roll. This is their sales page and here it says, brand new, 100% user-friendly technology. Quickly create stunning, professional logos. For any business in just 3 clicks. Perfect for beginners with zero tech skills and zero experience. This product offers and allow you to create attractive logos for any offer in just 3 clicks, choose from a variety of DIY logo templates, build recognition and inspire trust like the pros. Kick out expensive and money-sucking third parties forever, separate yourself easily from the competition, commercial license included, sell these logos and bank in big without any hassles. 100% cloud-based, newbie-friendly technology, beginner-friendly, step-by-step training and videos. Grab LogoBuilder at crazy one-time price today. My link is on the description of this video if you want to purchase it. This product have a stunning and eye-catchy logo in common, as you can see here: Walmart, Samsung, Nike, Alphabet, Mercedes, so there are a bunch of them here. So, there's no doubt in the fact that every business owner, agency owner, freelancer, graphic designer, website creator, product trainer etc. needs an engaging logo for their brand period. Yes, a well-planned and enticing logo gives your business an identity and makes it easier to build your brand. It also plays an important role to entice visitors towards your brand and get them connected for extended durations. So, whatever business you have or whatever service you're providing, you need to have a distinctive logo for your brand to get known easily from amongst the masses. See these amazing benefits that highlight the worth of logos: drive higher conversion rate, foster increased customer attention levels, boost your brand identity, drive higher traction for your offers, create a separate niche from your competitors, get better marketing results in cost-effective manner. Create highly attractive, premium logos. In just 3 easy steps. Step 1: choose. To begin, just choose from a huge list of ready-to-use logo templates as per your niche. Step 2: edit. Now, go ahead and edit the selected logo in few clicks. Change the text, add image, insert image/favicon etc. and you're on the right track. Download and profit. Great, your logo is ready to rock now. Now download and use it to boost your brand building efforts in the long run. Like I said, if you want to purchase LogoBuilder, my link is on the description of this video. So with this LogoBuilder, it will do the work that Top Logo Create would have done for you, because top logo creation tools charge huge monthly fees that you can't afford, even if you learn how to use them. Crafting engaging logos for your targeted niche can take months or even years, that too if you're well skilled, and most of the tools available in the market come with a hefty price tag. Yet provide only a limited set of features that don't match your needs. So here it says, it's packed with state-of-the-art features you've never seen before, ready to use, DIY logo templates for all business needs. With a constantly growing library of ready-to-use business logos, we've literally done everything for you. All that remains to be done is make a few edits, and rock ahead with no fuss ever. Countless customizable even for complete newbies. With a variety of options available like graphics, fonts etc. at your disposal, you can create a highly appealing logo for any audience in any niche with just a few clicks of your mouse. Lovingly designed, keeping every marketer's needs in mind, it has been built from the ground up to be completely marketer friendly, meaning you can use the software with no technical hassles and get best results without any complications. 100% newbie friendly, battle tested marketing platform. We've left no stone unturned to deliver an unmatched experience to our valued customers. This groundbreaking technology is 100% newbie friendly as well as it's 100% pocket friendly. LogoBuilder is very fast, easy to use and can be used by anyone easily to save time and money and ultimately to boost their business. Step-by-step video tutorials to use it without any fuss forever. No worrying on how to make the best use of our software for getting real results. Just watch our easy-to-watch video tutorials and learn how easy it is to make instant profits in hands-down manner. So here are some mind-blowing logos on my screen, and they also offer bonuses once you get this product, so if you are interested in purchasing LogoBuilder, the link is on the description of this video.